What's up, you all? It's Timstuh. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Pulse microphone from Fivebelow for $5. Now, this microphone's a little bit different. It's a 3.5 millimeter type microphone, and so therefore there are some kinks around it in order to be able to utilize it. It is not a USB microphone, but it actually can surprise our viewers and yourself getting this for $5. So before we get right into the review, I want to say thank you all for over 160,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you for our growing community here on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Y'all become the family. Y'all know I'm going to respond to y'all as soon as I could. Thank you so much for over 1,300 followers on Twitch for our live streams also, as that has just been amazing in being able to bring us all together and connect with a community that we never thought would be possible. So thank you so much for that. So we are going to be going over the Pulse microphone today, so ensure please give us the thumbs up, hit us with a subscribe if you enjoy content like this in terms of tech reviews, streaming tips, and just much more insights. And like what I said, you can go hit us up on TikTok also. It's very active on there, and so either way, the platforms are profoundly going to be active, so get involved and get engaged with us. We'll be happy to have you in our community. So let's go ahead and talk about it. This is the Pulse microphone. This is how it looks. The box, it kind of just looks around. It says Pulse right here and has some fun stuff. Pulse desktop microphone. Says it's good for podcast, streaming, and music. And like what I said, it does have a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. Kind of just plugs into the substitution of a headphone port and more. And so what it originally comes with, it comes with the mic, a small stand, and an on and off switch, and then a 3.5 millimeter headphone port jack, the audio cable. And that's about it. It just says with a desktop microphone, you can record high quality audio for podcasts, noiseless in-game voice chat, and crystal clear sound for music, featuring a high standard condenser core, and then be docked into the desktop tab or use a microphone. So technically, it's just saying it is a plug and play, just like it would be as a USB microphone, but it's a 3.5 instead. Now, here's one thing about the Pulse that's going to be a little confusing, especially to people with iPhones. With iPhones, since there is that flash cable, in order to be able to have that adapter to get into a 3.5 millimeter, that's one route and loophole you have to jump through. Next, with an iPhone also, what I have noticed is that you had to have a headphone splitter with it. That kind of distinguishes a headphone and a mic, because you can't just connect a direct port into the iPhone slot. So for the output of that, that's going to be a little confusing. So if you do have a headphone splitter and your adapter for an iPhone, so that kind of just adds up more cost if you're planning to use this. Android users can use this just off the bat. And then if you're plugging it into a laptop or any other form of a tablet, or just any way, like what it said right here, for podcast streaming and music, and other than using it directly from an iPhone, the compatibility is a lot smoother than it would be an iPhone, because iPhone usually already has loopholes when it comes down to just a basic 3.5 millimeter jack anyways, because we all know that iPhone doesn't carry that. So that'll be the only gripe about that. We are going to do a sound test, but so as far as everything, I did do a smaller review on TikTok, and I really enjoyed it also, so it actually sounds pretty good. And so I'm excited to show you all right now. So let's go ahead and switch that up. Let's give you a sound test, and then just my insights about it, just how large it is, how small it is, and we're gonna give you all that. I was actually really surprised by it, so I'm excited to show y'all. So let's get into the sound test. All right, so this is the way it sounds. You can tell already that as I'm holding the mic, it's a very small microphone. You can see it right here. Look at that. It's just a very tiny. Here is the stand right here. When you put it all together, it is a very it's a small mini setup, so you can't really use it for a boom arm or more technical features that can really make your mic kind of just look more professional in terms of quality. But it is a very in-depth mic for what I would think for $5. If you don't hold it too close up here, of course, but if you want to hold it just at the right amount of a signifying output of a feature of an input output, you know that you can hear this microphone pretty solid for what it costs. $5 at Fivebelow, not too bad. So I would have to say that they actually did a really good job with this, and I've been doing a lot of Fivebelow stuff in recent times on the TikTok, another cheap plug, and I'd have to say this is one of them that really performs pretty solid. Now, how long is it gonna last? I don't know. It sounds real cheap, so we know for $5 this actually excels what I ever thought this microphone would even sound like, especially it not being a USB microphone. When I first found out that this was not a USB microphone, when I ended up getting this from Prime Connect, it says from Prime Connect, so that's one thing I didn't mention. And when I saw it, I was like, whoa, when we reviewed this microphone, I was like, okay, cool, USB, let's get it. And it wasn't a USB. And so I was like, oh, it's probably, because I've had a lot of harsh times with non-USB microphones, rather it be XLR mics or all the way to a 3.5 millimeter type of an audio microphone. And I'd have to say, this is not actually too shabby for $5. $5, you're not going to lose anything. There's no risk in this microphone. But now it is small. Like if I go through both my hands, you can see like it covers the whole microphone already. So when you base it against different microphones, I'd say the microphones are almost double the length of what this actually is. So it is for somebody with smaller hands, or if you just prefer to use the mic stand instead, that would probably be a lot easier for you. Put it on something. Maybe you could put it on the box. You can have the box, and then you could just have the smaller stand on here, you know, you could just kind of, boom, you put it right through there, and that's how it just can work. You can set it up like that. I think that would be one of my recommendations if y'all don't want to be holding it like this and look too small. Or what I would really recommend this for is a travel podcast. That'd be great. Musicians that are traveling. This is very light, very small. You don't even have to take the whole box. You can just take this, wrap it up, put it somewhere. Maybe use the stand. I think the stand would come in handy more for a podcast, for musicians. I believe if you could just hold it at a great respectable rate and a certain distance feet away, the mic will sound pretty solid. So this is the Pulse desktop microphone by Prime Connect, and I would have to say, good job, Prime Connect. I actually thought it wasn't too bad for the $5. It's $5. You're not going to lose anything for that risk. So for podcast streaming and music, if y'all like what it sounds, let us know what you think in the comment section below. And I appreciate you all so much. And for more continuous content, just hit us up with a thumbs up and a subscribe, share with somebody, or just engage with us in the comments and let us know your thoughts about this microphone, because we're going to continuously try to extend the expansion of rather it's budget tech all the way to the most versatile and expensive tech. So I appreciate you all so much. Peace.